In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a bill payment stub in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here, you want to hover over all apps, hover over expenses and bills, and then here in the middle, you want to click on bills. Whenever you do this, you'll see, of course, all your bills in here, and you want to go to the paid section up top, so the third one over here, and then you can either print all of these or just select a specific vendor or a bill date. So I'm just going to click on over here where it says vendor, and I'm going to select a random one, for example, this one over here. And again, I could go and select the date as well or not, completely up to you. And then you can just click on this print button over here in the top right. And when you do so, a print box will open. You can select your printer. For example, I have this one. You can set the settings and then click on the print button. And of course, that's going to print your bill payment stub. Of course, you could also do all of them. So just click on the X button over here. All of these are going to get selected. And then you can essentially just click on the print button yet again. The same window will open and you can print all of them at once. That's how we do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.